Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. I am really sorry, first of all, that I was not able to upload the videos for from quite some time now, due to unexpected travel plans and other things happening. So I'm really sorry for that, and I will try my best to upload the monthly readings for the month of March for each zodiac ASAP, and also the daily readings as usual. Okay, so thank you for staying with me. And now let's see, we'll start with the readings for the day, and the monthly readings will follow. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for the day, what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. Let's see, what do the cards have for the day. Okay, all right. Oops. Okay, so there's a tower moment happening now. Tower moment is basically something needs to something needs to change, a transformation kind of thing happening. Okay, an old pattern needs to break, an old old connection maybe for some of you, which is not serving you or taking you to the next level or helping you grow, needs to needs to change or may come to an end also for some of you. This is not an easy phase in the life to deal with, but yes, it is important so that you can have a strong foundation again, and you can build something stronger than before. Okay, it's like your base needs to be strong so that you can have a strong a building on the top of that foundation, right? So that is what this energy is. So this is not so easy to travel for some of you, so easy to deal with. For some of you it can be an old pattern which needs to change, an old belief you need to change, ending of something which is built on illusions or false beliefs also, is what I am getting. For some of you it can be it's like you need to focus on what that situation is trying to teach you. Okay, basically you need to have your focus on the lesson instead of crying over the spilt milk. Okay, that is also what I'm getting here. So don't cry that why it happened, I don't deserve this, this should not have happened. Don't do that. It's a transformation phase. Something needs to change so that something new can start. Okay, it's like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. Okay, so which is not so easy process, right? So that is what I'm getting here for you. So just claim the positive energy from this reading. I wish you all the best and to have all the strength to deal with this situation. And yes, so please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.